Swati is joining us now, Swati Hotkar, to talk more about markets. Swati, what is your take on Nifty and Bank Nifty in light of what Vinny and I were discussing, that market had already run up and there is no apparent negativeness right now for Indian market also. Crude is down, dollar index, everything was supporting. And now this HDFC news coming in and these two are weighing on the markets. Do you see a fall which will be shallow, or do you think we could go back reasonably?
Yes, good afternoon, both of you. Definitely, yesterday we have seen that the bulls was really in a very triggered way, running towards upside. 17,200 has been claimed on the closing basis, which was a very positive indication. Today, the news has came about the HDFC twins, and we have witnessed some sort of a profit booking. Now, 18,200 was acting as a crucial resistance levels. Today, it is facing a that level on the closing basis, whereas on a downside as of now, 18,000 psychological mark, whereas 17,900. This 100 points will act as a crucial support level for the Nifty. As long as this support is maintained on the closing basis, again we can see that the bulls can come back into the market, and again 18,200 levels can be tested back. So the view is a bit cautious, but the positive will remain intact as long as Nifty holds 17,900 levels. Any more above 18,200, again we will retest the 18,400, 600 levels can be seen. So the view is not major negative as of now. I believe market is giving an opportunity to take a buy call on every deep as such, as long as 17,900 level is well placed. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, yes, Bank Nifty, the overall trend of this particular indices has been remained positive from the last few trading sessions. We have seen that almost from 42,000 psychological levels, one side we have seen a rally into the Bank Nifty, which has tested 43,600 odd levels on the higher side. So the profit booking cannot be denied at the higher levels, but definitely I believe 42,800, 42,500 again, that level can come down, and we can just see the support formation in that particular range, and again we will witness some pullbacks rallies. So it's a no worry. We don't need to worry at the current levels. It's definitely a buy on deeps markets. One should hold their long positions, because every day we are witnessing a sectorial rotation into the markets. The stocks are really doing very well. There is no major sign of weakness into the market, so one should hold their long positions.
Hi Swati, good afternoon. Vinny joining in here as well. And Swati, you said buy on dips coming in, not much of a worry there. Then what are you finding attractive in such a market? Any specific interesting sector that you're looking at, or specific stocks that if you talk to us about as well?
Yeah, Vinny, I'm as of now looking for stock-specific trading itself, not emphasizing purely a single sector or something like that. Being a technical analyst, the counters which are really giving a strong breakouts on the technical chart, that stocks I'm selecting. Currently, as of now, today I'm witnessing that the retailing sector is really doing very well. From among that sector trend, this particular counter is really doing very well. Even though the market is correcting, this particular stock is up by almost 1.3% at the higher level. High tops, high bottom formation, it's well placed above the 20 DMA, which is a very positive indication on the technical front. The volumes are really doing very well along with the price momentum. So I believe it has a very strong potential to reach up to 1500 levels on the higher side. So one can take a long position at the current market price, which is trading at 1420, 1422 level. 1390 will be my strict stop loss for immediate target of 1500 levels. My second buy call is Biocon. This particular counter is just struggling or just hovering near its 50 days moving average, and I believe even though the market will correct in the coming 1 to 2 trading session, this particular counter will act as a defensive pack, and we will witness some sort of a positive momentum towards at least 265 to 275 levels. The resistance provided by its 200 DMA. So I believe this rally is likely to be going forward, can witness a 200 DMA. So one can take a long position into the Biocon. Currently the stock is sitting at 242 levels for immediate stop loss, with the immediate stop loss of a 235.
I agree. Biocon from 200 or to 240 has come in very sharply, but couple of stocks I want to understand with you. One is Tata Steel, good blockbuster numbers. Stock was in a good shape, down 2% today. Do you think it should be added, or position can be built around current levels?
See, if we look towards on a larger degree on a weekly chart, the stock is very much consolidating within the range of 100 to 110. Within that range only, the stock has given movement for at least 2 months. If it's manages to give a breakout of 110 levels, then definitely we can witness some swift rally on the positive side towards to 120 to 125 level. I will suggest to wait down once the stocks give the breakout of 110 level. One can initiate a buy call, or those who are having any long positions, they can hold on with the strict stop loss of 100. So the view as of now, it's the stock is just under the consolidation phase. A breakout of 110 levels will witness a very positive sign in this particular market.
Okay. And see, some of the other large cap stocks, L&T, right ahead of the results, there's been a good upgrade by one of the international brokerages, and the stock is gaining among the top 2-3 stocks on the index. But it has also, after almost going to 2450 odd, has corrected a bit. Is it a good time to add L&T on any decline from here?
Yes, definitely. L&D is a very strong contender, and one should definitely have into their portfolio. If you look towards the weekly or the monthly chart, the stock is really doing very well. On the weekly front, it has given the flat pattern breakout, which was coming to at around 2270 level, and I believe it will retest again its all-time high, which comes to at around 2416 levels, and it will go to new high in the coming few trading session if the market supports the sentiments. If the stock gets any dips towards 2280, 2260 or level, definitely one can take a long positions. I believe 2220 will act as a very strong support level. I'm quoting for a target of initial will be the 2420 and above that level. I believe 2480, 2500 can be very soon seen into this particular stock.
Okay, Swati, thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon on Markets at Noon.